The magic of the garden aisle is calling me back home. So we went 1 touch, 2 touch, reach, and me, you're gonna kaholo, you're gonna take your arms down and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is calling home, figure 8. 1, 2. Okay, from the 1 touch, 2 touch. Ready? 1 touch, 2 touch, 1, and the magic of the garden aisle is calling me back home, figure 8, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1 touch, 2 touch, reach, and me. Take it down. The garden aisle, whatever this is calling home, home, 1, 2. Okay? When I was young. I'm all right.
I recall not to be
I was young a long time.
such kind of small. The people there
Have it all.
know they got it all.
Simple life.
A simple life for me.
Nelly.
Hele On To Kauai, and I lay by the bay, while the river valley, where I used to
There
play.
you go.
Canyons of Hawaiian, standing all alone.
Take it down.
The magic of the garden now, calling me back home.
And 1,
When
2.
I was
Got it?
Left, right, left, right.
I think it was right, left.
You might take it. Yes.
You're right. It's left. Right. It's right. Okay. Get your chin up. There's a plane.
There's a plane I recall, not to be such kind of small.
People,
The people there
they have it all.
know they got it all.
Simple life.
A simple life for me.
LA.
Hele On To Kauai, and I lay by the bay, while the river valley, where I used to play.
Ella.
Canyons of Hawaiian, standing all alone. The magic of the garden now is calling me back home. When I was
Okay? When I was young. Hand on hip. Here. It's the top of a child's head. 2 kaholos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. And not too smart. Here, YYO. 1, 2, 3, 4. When I was young and not too smart, stop. I left my home. Hella right foot, 8 counts from your eye up, looking for a brand new start. Okay. 5, 6, 7. When I was young and not too smart, I left my home looking for a brand new start, and I don't know how the rhythm is there, but that's how it is. Add it on.
Can you do it one time?
Yeah.
You need to repeat it again.
When I was young and not too smart, I left my home looking for a brand new start. Let's go from young. When I was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, that's all. 1, 2, 3, 4. House 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it down. I double kaholo. 1, 2, 3. Now dip. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, we'll put it away.
There's only one bit, bro.
And
there's a place I recall, not to be facts kind of small. The people there know they got it all. The simple life for me. Hele On To Kauai, Hele by the bay, Wailua River Valley, where I used to play. Canyons of Hawaiian, standing all alone. The magic of the garden now is calling me back home. When I was young,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,
I left my
5, 6,
home
7, 8. 1,
looking for a brand new
5,
star
6, 7, 8.
to find.
All right, here we went 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to put that foot back on 8. We're going to do a double kaholo to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 8 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Add it on because I don't know what the next part is. Yes.
There's a place I
Reach
recall,
high, Mark.
not to be facts kind of small. The people there
You say the words, it's
know they
easier.
got it all.
A simple
A
life
simple life
for me.
for me.
LA.
Hele On To Kauai, Hele by the bay, Wailua River Valley, where I used to play.
Ella.
Canyons of Hawaiian, standing all alone. The magic of the garden now is calling me back home.
Figure 8.
When I was young, not too small,
You're tight.
I left my home looking for a brand new star to find a place that's bittersweet.
And
There's a place I recall, not to be